This program assumes you've downloaded and installed Mind Plus. When you open Mind Plus, you'll get a screen like this. Though we have to add the commands for the drone, so we go to Extensions, click it, down the bottom, go to Function menu at the top. We're looking for the RoboMaster single TT, which is there. Click it, then upper left, go to back. All right, if you scroll down on the categories on the side, on the left-hand side there, you'll see functions. If you click functions, you'll see some of the commands for the drone. On the back of the extension module on your drone, you will see the SSID on which you need to connect. So get the drone with the battery in, push the button on the side, make sure you push and hold it a little bit or it won't start. So we do that again, hold it a little bit. Watch the front of the drone and you'll see that the light, the LED starts to blink. You're waiting for an orange flashing LED like that, so it's ready to connect. Go to your available Wi-Fi connections when you're looking for Wi-Fi names or SSIDs. Eventually the drone one will appear. Click on it and connect. Now it can take a minute to connect, so be patient with that. Sometimes you'll need to try a couple of times. If it doesn't appear, sometimes you'll need to turn the drone on and off, or perhaps turn off your wireless and turn it back on again. Once you have done that, and once it is connected, we'll need to go back to Mind Plus to complete the connection with the software. So it's connected, Mind Plus. Okay, just make sure that function category is open. Go to the top of the list there and you'll see that there's a little exclamation mark in an orange circle. We need to click that. When we do, this window comes up. If there's two connections, do the refresh, connect to the one that's there, and it should say go to editor, and it does. And now you are ready then to send commands to your drone and make it fly and do other things.